In front of me is TECNO Spark 20P, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Special Function. Then scroll to hit App Twin and click on gray switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Then wait, and when it's ready, go back to check it out. As you can see, mine was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!